What's the meaning of bismuth? Bismuth. Bismuth.
Bismuth. Bismuth. Bismuth is a chemical element with the symbol Bi and atomic number 83. The element is a dense, silvery white metal that belongs to the post-transition metals group on the periodic table. Bismuth is not a naturally occurring element, but can be found as a byproduct of other metals such as silver, copper and lead. Bismuth has several applications in various fields, including pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and alloys. Bismuth is also used in low melting point alloys and has been increasingly utilized as a replacement for toxic lead in many commercial applications due to its non-toxicity.